Contrary to the claims being made on social media, Bill Gates is not in Jamaica.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
So, with the outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic, many assertions, accusations, conspiracy theories, and misinformation have been in circulation on social media. One of the latest claims being bandied about is that Microsoft's owner and billionaire Bill Gates is in Jamaica trying to get the Prime Minister to accept a proposed vaccine against COVID-19. Some of the messages accompanying a picture of Prime Minister Holness and Gates reads as follows. Why is Bill Gates in Jamaica? OMG. To do harm and encourage vaccinations. I bet that will come next. Everyone needs to share it and refuse the vaccinations and vote Andrew out of office. Or look at their feet. See, they are trying to form the letter M for Microsoft. However, based on my probe, the picture is not new and was posted on the official Twitter page of the Prime Minister on the 19th of April 2018 with a caption that reads as follows. Was an honor to share the stage with Bill Gates of Microsoft fame. We both spoke at the joint forum in London on the topic, Towards a Common Future. I want to congratulate him on the work he's doing through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation Malaria Eradication. Now, this video was not done to address any vaccination claims, just to point to the source of the picture and provide some much needed context.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.